the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No,
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wig using expression braids. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing you're going to need is a cap, and I advise you to use this cap, this dome cap that has a lace on it already, instead of like sewing a lace on it. Like that can be tiresome and time consuming as well. So I advise you to use this type of cap or this other one. So you also need expression braids, and I'm going to use this long expression braids, and I'll cut it into half because I don't want my hair to be long.
I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you.
The advantage of using this other cap other than using this dome cap is that it's easier to pull the hair or the crochet stick through this cap because it's a net. So like pulling the hair through is so easy compared to when you want to pull it through this cap. It might tear your cap, especially if the crochet stick is big, like this one, the one that I'm using is too big, so it tore my cap like twice or thrice. So I also prefer this other cap other than this dome cap, but then just make sure the cap has a knit on it. So I went ahead and crocheted the hair on the entire cap, and I used 2-pack for this tutorial.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time moves on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
If you want to create a natural looking pattern, then you have to use a very tiny crochet stick to make it look more natural, and you have to pick like 2 or 3 strands of hair.
I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
So once you're done, trim the ends, and you can as well just wear this hair like this without flat ironing, without blow drying it. But then I want my hair to be straight and slick. You can use a hot comb, but now make sure the heat is low, or a flat iron. But now for today's tutorial, I'm going just to blow dry it. So for me to make it straight and slick, I'm first of all going to spray some oil and also apply solid oil just to make it straight and also to reduce the volume.
tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again, suffocate to make me breathe again, lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a...
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or if you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
To flame, oh, some things never change.